Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm out at High Winds Casino today in Miami, Oklahoma. I'm going to be playing Ultra Hot Mega Link. And here is the progressives. That major looks pretty tall to me. It's over 2,000. And we're going to start with the 250 bets. I know we need 4 of them fireballs. I know those are wilds. So that just paid us $19.50. Good hit. We need 3 of those treasure chests on the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th reel. Those will give us games. Let's get that major. I want to thank High Winds for all the support they give to the slot community. One more, give it to us. Come on, get it. We got it, guys. All right. Alright, so we're going to get 8 free games. Come on, give us some money. There we go. We got all those. 5 spins left. Let's get some more games. There we go, we got the mini. Awesome. 2 more spins. Alright. Now you can re-trigger games in this. Get more of them treasure chests. Hopefully it'll drop us some in the next 2 spins. We're up to $39.75. Last game unless we get more games. Alright guys, not bad for this setting down. 43.50 win. Gonna do about 5 backups, guys. Maybe we can trigger it again. 225 hit. I'm gonna spin one more time. Alright guys, nice bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you soon.